Lichens are miniature ecosystems. They are made of fungus, algae, and/or cyanobacteria. These life forms work very closely together. They are found on trees, rocks, soil, and man-made surfaces. Some lichen considered to be among the oldest living things on Earth, with an estimated age of 8,600 years. Lichens are very sensitive to climate change and allow early detection of the climate shifting before any other organisms can show the changes. By learning few common lichen species, you can judge the air quality within your area.